Heya, I'm Teacher Collins with Beestar. Today's lesson will be on the letters and sounds of P, Q, and R. Let's begin. Our first word is pencil. Pencil. Postcard. Pizza. Pizza. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pan. Pan. Popcorn. Popcorn. What is this letter for? This letter, P, is for pencil, postcard, pizza, pumpkin, pan, and popcorn. What letter is this? This letter is Q. Q is for quiet, quilt, quack, question, and Q. What letter is this? This letter is R. R is for rainbow, river, rabbit, rose, road, and radio. Do you remember all these words? If not, that's okay. You can go back and watch again. This is the end of today's lesson. I'll catch you next time.